Hello, everyone. I just wanted to not forget for all of you to think about the things you're going to, pen for people, others, and for your people you grew up, and the things you want to spend some good time to with each other. Why not? And this is the Christmas time. There's some. It might be warm time. It might not be, but just to think about, and share some fun times with each other about what you're going and not only that, but to think about good food that you're gonna share with each other and have wonderful chair, the wheelchairs. You're going to be using those. It'll be different, and you might have a new one, you have an old one, but the things you want to or who you want to be as a wheelchair user, and to be, fun time. Why not? And I have one that's getting older, and I was told that I'm going to give a different manual wheelchair. I was like, oh, really? Okay, I'm going there. So I'm waiting for this, and I've done that before on the bass, but I've had some issues from my shoulder, so I have to always kind of think, if I'm going to use those wheelchair, then I got to figure that out. But there's just little weirds and weird times that you look at your wheelchairs. So think of those, but have fun with friends and family, and good times. It could be just with reasoning with others and is spending time with them. You could be, just watching the TV and see if you're going to do stuff together. There's so many different things. And then you can just spend some time at home. You could do that. I have some time I know I'm going to spend with my family. I don't know if they're coming all over here. Sometimes they all plan to come and they don't tell me much, and I'm boo, and right there, whoops, there goes my family. There goes part of my family. Yeah. I couldn't find it, but I don't know what's going on. So we'll see if my father and my parent, not my parents, but my brothers and sisters. I don't know what's going on here, but I might end up in some really fun stuff. So I never know when things are different. So think of those for yourselves, for something for yourselves, but can be for family too. To enjoy or to spend time with Christmas or other situations, but also we're going to have is the new year. Also, we're going to talk about that a little bit more, but it's coming at some point. You think about that? Yeah. So no matter what it is, but know that just enjoy. Spend some time to, to really spend that works, that helps you, and to go enjoy with others. So that's really, really important. And not, because I can say so many times now. I'm probably drove you, but I'm hoping that you will get better each other, and that you already have a good time with your wheelchairs and with your family and with friends on new different ways. You know, it's not the same ones. It could be something different. So think about it, and I will hope to you that you will great. You'll have a time of time of great. Okay, so I will see you all soon. This is a 23 already. Oh my goodness. So and I will be so take care of each other, and tell me how. Let me know how it's been going. So for every I know will do great. All right. Take care. And we have things coming up to work on. So you'll hear it, and I'll see it soon. Take care. Bye-bye.